What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video of Coding Academy. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Node.js and Node Package Manager or NPM on your macOS. I'm actually using the macOS Catalina version 10.15 as of this recording. So let's get started. Open up your web browser and in the search bar type download Node.js for Mac, and here it is. We have it for Windows as well as Mac, so let's click on Mac installer and save the file. Now let's wait for the files to be downloaded. Okay, so once that's done, let's go ahead and open it up and I'll check. Let's open the package. To install, we will go through the prompts. Let's click install and continue, and we'll say yes, we agree. Again, continue. Install, and we can give it the admin password, and we are done. And it just says here that we have to make sure that user local bin is in our path. So we'll go ahead and make sure of that. We will go to the terminal. Well, actually, what we will do is we will restart the terminal. It's always a good idea to restart the terminal after things like installations. Let's clear all these unwanted stuff and we'll say node -- version and hit enter, and that's the right one. And another one is NPM, which stands for Node Package Manager. So let's type NPM -- version, which is actually what we are really after right now. And it seems like that's working as well. We will go ahead and echo the path just like they told us to make sure. So we'll write echo $, and path. And sure enough, local bin is in our path. So we are good to go.